So now I have 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, and now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Like a little sweetness in my fried dumplings, so I could put 2. And then about a teaspoon of salt. And then now 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Now I'm going to combine it, and then I'm going to add some water and make it into a dough. Now I'm only going to slightly pour water, not put too much, because I don't want to add too much water and then it's too watery. I already seen I'm adding too much anyways. So yeah, if it's too watery, all you have to do is just add more flour anyways, so you'll be fine. But sometimes it's annoying because then I probably make too much and it's just a struggle. Just combine everything. So I already have a pot of oil being heated, so the next thing is to make the dumpling into some like a round ball. Of course, I didn't forget for sure and say I actually add butter as well. One teaspoon, because I only use a cup and a half of flour. So yeah, so this is how the flour looks right now. It's so soft and nice. So yeah, time to dumpling it up. So this is how I need mine sometimes. And then I kind of make it flattish, so okay, you know it already got swell up. So I'm gonna make them a little smallish. Some of them a little smallish. So the one of them there, of course we already started turning. Them start get brown and nice. That one is almost done. Quite golden brown and nice too, man. Very good. But it's yeah, they might come out really nice too. So yeah. You can also just like pour a little bit of the oil at the top. Just it kind of help with speeding up the frying process. As y'all can see though, they are very close to being done. So watch out for the final product.